Hello again. Alright, coming into Paducah. So far, roads haven't been as bad as that one earlier. 2 lanes have been open. There have been slush like this right here on the side of the right lane. But outside of that, nothing too badly out of the ordinary. Here's Lone Oak, United Methodist, not First Methodist. And we're coming into town. Slow it down and see what we see. Most of the trees are bent up to this point. I'm expecting to see some broken ones. Yeah, there's some little bitty ones, like 3 inches. But I was listening on the radio just a minute ago, just to date what I've got. It's 2:24, and the radio was playing less music, but they were telling people where they could get kerosene, where they could get propane gas, and what gas stations were open and were taking cash. Apparently lines are down, power lines and whatnot, so they're not getting, or phone lines, internet lines, they're not getting any debit cards out. And look, we got power. There's power at this green light. There's power on that board right there. Slushy, man. Looks like they got probably about 4 or 5 inches of just snow. Mr. FJ Cruiser burning it up there. Going about 35. Over here, I'll let the video run and I'll just shut up for a little while, let you look. Hopefully the detail's good enough on this camera so you can see it all. Power here at South Friendship Road and 45. That's Darriette. Sorry, this is Lone Oak Road here in town. It's not 45. And the roads are wet, which means they'll be icy later. So I'm not going to stay too long, but I'm going to walk into me and Mom and Pa's house and say hello. See if I can talk them into coming back down to Jackson if they don't have power. What I'm seeing here is 5, 6, 7 inch icicles on every power line at the top. See on the signs here, there's lots of icicles and whatnot. I don't see a whole lot of downed power lines. I see a lot of bad drivers, like this right here. Look at that, you're not even in the turn lane. Good job, you've got a truck. Use it. Pardon me about that. The lines at Super Value Express, 5 cars deep. No, I'm sorry, 12 cars deep. That was only one side. Here's the KFC where I'll be taking a right. Hopefully it won't be too slick on these non-main roads. If it is, I'm getting out and walking. So far, so good. Look at that tree. Lord, man. Trees down, trees down. Alright, we're getting into the slush. This is me with both hands on the wheel. Seatbelt on. Trees down. Ice everywhere. And that was me in gear. Show you where the ice is. Look at that, man. That's like a 2-foot icicle on that mountain. Awesome. Alright. Look at that guy. What are you doing in the road? Good Lord, man, that ice is thick, man. That's like an inch and a half around. Dude, that's solid ice right there. Around each branch. The gentleman who's doing the work, look at him. He's got the gas, he's got the chainsaw, he's out doing it. to God that you make it through all the little roads. Makes sense when you think about it. Not what you think about when you're leaving. There's Lakeview Village, and look, the road clears off a little bit. We must have got out with some salt. I'm staying in the second gear regardless. Look at this. Yeesh. Not a golf course. Good Lord, I dread this right here. Hill. Need to have momentum to get up it, but it's solid ice. And around the other side, another hill that goes down. I'm dreading this. Yeah. There's somebody over here. In a Blazer type car of some sort. If I can turn. Yeah, buddy, look at me go. Alright, I'm gonna go inside. I got full signal on my BlackBerry, so I'm gonna use my BlackBerry to call people. Ooh, it is crisp. Yeah, I'm gonna cut the video, and well, I got 30 minutes left. Maybe they're over at Dinah and Cliff, or Cliff and Dinah's. I said Dinah and Cliff. Either way. Door's locked. Knock a little louder and wait a second. These icicles. Alright, I'm thinking they're not here. Looks like they've been wheeling something out. And there's been a dog. And they wheeled something from inside this house. Or house, there. But yeah, they've got a decent amount of snow here. There's the finger test. Are you ready? Yeah, it's an inch and a half, maybe 2. I'll give you an idea of the ice, and we'll go out to down in the cliffs. I might walk. There you go, got a better idea now. Alright, so down in the cliffs we go.